तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दम् किञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसीं मकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषाम् संक्षोभमक्षरजुषामपि चित्ततन्वोः. That's what happens inside. Atmani eva atmana tushta. So that outside bhakti has to become inside bhakti. Really? Can that happen? Can outside bhakti become inside bhakti? Outside bhakti doesn't become inside bhakti just because we're going on doing and doing and doing outside bhakti. It doesn't automatically become. When our bhakti is centered and anchored on who gave us bhakti, bhakti pradata, sambandhadata, ashrayadata. Yeah, only then bhakti becomes internal. Atmani eva atmana tushta. चैतौदर्पणमार्जनं भवमहादावाग्नि निर्वापणम्. श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय. श्री हरिनाम प्रभु महात्म्य की जय. What Mahatmya is there? Shri Harinam Prabhu. Chetudharpanam Bhavamahadavagne Nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadu Jivanam Anandambudhivartanam Pratipadam Purna Amruta Asvadanam Sarvatma Snapanam. Now Mahatmya. Non-stop now Mahatmya. Shri Harinam Prabhu. Nam Namakari Bahudam Nija Sarvashakti Tatrarpitani Amita Smaranena Kala Etadrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamapi Durtaiva Mitrishamiha Cheninanuragaha. The intoxication begins now. When we turn internal. Hey Nam Prabhu, Shri Hari Nam, you are here, you are here, you are here, you are here, please. And now, so sorry, I have been looking here and there, too busy looking here and there, too busy thinking of this and that. Yeah, so sorry. But now, you have very kindly shown that you are here. Please give that raga, anuraga to you, Shri Harinam Prabhu. Really, ऐसा हो जाएगा क्या? After all, a Jiva Shakti, a Jiva who was just wandering around, looking around, and all of a sudden, hears Sri Sikshastakam and says, okay, Harinam, can you please give anuraga? Jiva is such a pretender. What taste is there for Jiva, to have anuraga on Bhagavan, on Shri Harinama? But the Guru Shakti comes to rescue. Comes to rescue. The Guru Shakti, the Gaura Priyajana, Sri Guru carrying Gauranga, comes to rescue and bonds the Jiva with the Nama. Otherwise, how can the bonding happen? Trinadapi sunichena tarore vasahesh amanina manadena kirtaniya sada hari. There is no question of Shuddha Nama. And there is no question of bonding with the Nama by Jiva without depending on Sandhini Shakti. It's the Sandhini Shakti, and that stabilizes the jiva, the chitta, and very mercifully bonds with the Nama Gauranga Mahaprabhu, who is teaching the ways of bonding with the Nama. So the Sandhini Shakti stabilizes the jiva in the internal energy, brings the jiva into the internal energy. Then Gauranga Mahaprabhu bonds the jiva with the Nama. Without this, क्या होता है जीवा को? बस की बात नहीं है. This is not jiva's zone. This internal energy. Sandhini Shakti, Shri Guru. Why Shri Guru? Why do we hear Shri Guru? Shri is internal potency. That internal potency has to bring the jiva into this internal realm. Then Gauranga Mahaprabhu bonds the jiva with the Nama. Because Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna नहीं है. ऐसा होता है अनुरागा to Harinama. It's not any external at all. Trinadapi sunichena tarore vasahishnana namani namanadena kirtaniya sada hari. Nadanam na janam na sundarim kavitam va jagatisha kamayim. Mama janmani janmanishware bhavatad bhaktiya haitu kirtani. This is Atmani eva Atmana tushta. Mama janmani janmanishware bhavatad bhaktiya haitu kirtani. Shtaha. Internal celebration, ongoing, non-stop internal celebration. Our bhakti has to head in that direction within this lifetime. Within this lifetime. Internal celebration happens in Guru Krishna Samsara. Our bhakti has to head in that direction. Because we want to celebrate non-stop celebration. Ainanda tanuja kinkaram patitam shaming bhavambudam kripaya tava pada pankaja stita dhuli sadrisham vichintaya. Nanda tanuja Krishna, a saffron dust particle at the lotus feet of Nanda tanuja Krishna. How wonderful, how wonderful, how wonderful. When that is happening within this lifetime. How wonderful. Then, Nayanam galada shrudharaya vadanam gadgadaruthaya giram pulakair nichitair vapukada tava nama krihane bhavishyati. These are the proceedings of the internal world in Guru Krishna Samsara. That's why yogaitam nimishena chakshusha pravachyaitam shunyaitam jagat sarvam govinda virahena. Viraha is the matter of internal world that happens in Guru Krishna Samsara. Aslishya va padaratam pinastumam Adarshanam marmahatam karotu vam yada tatha vidadhata ulampat mat prananathastu sayevana paraha. Prananatha Shri Harinam Prabhu, Shri Radha Govinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Is the internal world. These are not just the syllables somewhere in the air, mechanically chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Oh, nahi hai. This is a celebration of the internal world. Shri Harinam Prabhu in the Guru Krishna Samsara. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites Sri Sikshashtakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Dharamatya sarvasreshta nama sankirtana Niraparadha nama laile Bhaye premadhana. Of all langas of Bhakti Nama Sankirtana is the best because it is this Niraparada Nama that gives us Premadhana. Atayeva Nama Matra Vaishnavera Dharma Nami Prasputita Hoile Rupa Guna Karma. Is that happening to me? Is my bhakti heading in that direction? Is my japa heading in that direction? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान की जय।